Hi Chaos fam! So I'm going to record this really quick video because today I did an awesome design that I'm going to put a picture of later in the video. And I absolutely loved it, and I loved especially one of the nails that was so easy to recreate that I wanted to share it with you guys so you can bring it to your nail table. To achieve this look, I'm going to use Organic Nails Bloom Gel. I don't know if you've heard of Organic, but it's a Mexican line. A Mexican brand, which is, I love it. It has so many options and so many different products that you can try that I wish I could just try them all. But yeah, that's all we need. Some bloom gel and some colored gel colors. The colors are totally up to you. You can mix and match any colors you want. So let's get started with that design. Without carrying our bloom gel, we're going to place gel colors on it. I'm going to use a striping brush. And I'm just going to randomly place the colors. This does not have to be perfect at all. You don't have to fill the whole nail either. Could just be like random strokes. And the bloom gel, what it's gonna do is it's gonna help the colors merge into each other, shift, move, and create really awesome patterns. I love bloom gel, and I'm so sad that it took me so long to love this gel world. You can even bring them into each other, mix them. It gives you kind of like a marbled effect. And the great thing about this marble is you don't have to be precise or perfect at all. So that is a plus, especially when we're beginning, because I know how frustrating it can be when you're starting with something and you feel like you have to live up to these Instagram pictures and these awesome nail techs, which I mean, that is obviously the goal, right? But we can start off simple and still wow our clients and potential clients. This is so easy. You don't have to use a lot of color. You don't have to do a lot. And it looks kind of cool, you know? It's a really cool kind of marble. I'm gonna keep adding random colors here and there, and I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. So I went ahead and cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It kind of looks like marble. It kind of looks like a mess, but a very beautiful mess. And you'll see the set that I did that goes with this design in a bit, because right now if I show you with these, it doesn't really look that great. But yeah, this is for a more modern graffiti style, urban style kind of set. Absolutely love. And it was just that easy. So I hope you guys try it out. If you do, I'm gonna leave my social media links below, and you can definitely tag me, mention me, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I always answer my DMs. So yeah, thank you for watching. Stay safe wherever you may be. Bye.